Hi gorgeous, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I make press-on nail design tutorials. Today I am going to teach you how I made this orange and nude fall press-on nail set. So let's get started. The links to all the products that I mentioned in this video are in the description, except for a few, maybe like the glitters and stuff like that, but most of them are down in the description. So I'm gonna put the nail tips on my left hand instead of the nail stand like I usually do. So we're gonna see how that turns out. I didn't have the little mini lamps that are like super small and you just put like one finger in there. You just put one finger in there and then it'll cure it. I didn't have one of those. I only have like the really big lamps that are like this big. So I really struggled to keep the lamp on while also like trying to keep the nail tip straight and not messing anything up. Okay, so really quick, while I was editing, I noticed that the camera and the lighting in the room made it seem as if I had a little third eye. I don't know what was going on, but just don't notice that. Don't notice that even though I'm pointing it out. So now I've applied all of the tips and I'm going to go through and file the cuticle area to make them look more natural, I guess. I guess that's the term for it. I guess that's the term. I don't know. So this right here is cover cherry blossom. This is covered cherry blossom from Young Nails. Oh my god. And don't be like me and put a huge bead of acrylic at the cuticle, because it made the nail unnecessarily bulky and I got acrylic all over my thumbnail. So yeah, don't be like me. When you're doing acrylic, whether it's on a person or a press on, always hold the nail like downward. Hold the nail down so that gravity can help and the product won't spill everywhere and go all over the place. If you made it this far into the video, please consider subscribing and joining the community. I'm going to take my e-file and a bunch of different nail drill bits that I got from Amazon and just file away. And also, this is my second time ever doing quote unquote nails on myself. Usually I do them on the nail stand. Now I'm going to mix a bunch of orange glitters that I had lying around, mix those up together, and then mix that with, mix the glitter mix with acrylic, and then apply it to the nails. Okay, so on to the fun part. Gonna put the hard gel color into the monomer, stir it up, set that to the side. And meanwhile, then so I'm going to use a silicone mold to create the actual leaves and stuff like that. And I just pick up a bead with the new monomer solution, pick it up and put the bead into the smaller leaves. If you see on the camera, it's big leaves, small leaves, medium leaves. So I use the small ones, and don't let them dry all the way. Just let them harden up a little bit to where they get a firm shape, and then take it out so that you can press it onto the nail, and so that it could kind of curve around the nail and harden up to the shape of the actual nail, instead of it being, this it being like this on the nail. So now I'm just going to file the nails again to get the perfect shape. And now it's time for the bling bling. So I got these rhinestones from Amazon. The bright orange ones I got recently, but the other ones I had got during New Year's. So I don't know if I'll be able to find those. But yeah. So I decided to just do cuticle bling instead of a full rhinestone design. Alright, we're pretty much at the end of the video. This set took me almost 4 hours to do, and in a few seconds you will see the final reveal shots. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button if you want to see more content like this in the future. Bye!